Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Infinix Note 12 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. In order to use it, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on Android smartphone. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this latest newsletters and updates pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and close it by choosing OK. Finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of Infinix and Receive over here on Android. If you want to, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories and choose Send next to selected. You can also just tap on, for example, one file and tap on Send as well. Finally, click on Got It in this pop-up. If you see this section, Personalize your ad, choose one of those options, click on Close this window, and now as you can see, we have two ways to connect. If you want to use this QR code, select this scanning icon over here next to input key, choose Allow or Only this time, and point your Android's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, just click on Input key, type in your code, and choose Receive. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!